Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating another website, but today we're going to be focusing on blog and how to add Wix forums to that said blog. Alright, without further ado, create the new website. We're going to let it load. It's going to ask us what kind of website we're going to be creating. Alright. Here we go, and we are going to go to blog. And it's going to give us that choice. Answer some questions, let the AI create one for you, or create one from a template with thousands of designs. Of course, it's my favorite. We can do a personal blog, a book blog. Let's scroll down to a little bit deeper. Let's see what kind of options we have. Okay, we can do a new frontier. This is a business blog, which is really cool. I want to see, just to see the template. Pretty cool. Alright, Work Small Shine, a beauty blog, sports blog and podcast, a marketing blog, food blog and podcast. Alright, coming soon, landing page. Okay, let's go back one. And we can see this is a music blog, a religious blog, a design blog, a gaming blog. Let's check that out. That's pretty cool. Super cool space here. Alright, that looks pretty neat. Let's go to edit. And that 1 to 3 minute wait time for it to load. Alright, now it has loaded. And so let's get started. Of course, remember we can always change. Click, drag, change the title. We can change the theme here. Just by selecting Revo Sports, eSports team. Let's move this over. Alright, just so you guys can see. And we have a cool little logo here. We'll move as well. Alright, now we have that. Okay, so now we have my blog, which is already a blog site, so it's already edited for you. You can add apps as well. Alright, well, let's take a scroll down. Alright, and let's go to menu and pages, updates, right, so it's a blog with updates here, a roster, and contact. Very cool. Latest updates, this is where that button will bring you. And the roster, join our mailing list. Alright, so contact here, the roster, our crew, so you're going to be able to meet them. It's a button that will take you exactly there, or if you remember, we can do it through the ad and the strips, and that will do the same for you. Alright, so going to add apps. Alright, and let this come up. We want to create a forum. I'll let this load. Alright, now forum coming down. We're going to just check and see what we can use here. Alright, a site search bar, we can add this. And we will add that too in just a moment. There's another way to do it without coming to the apps. Wix forum. Here we go. It's free. Share knowledgeable, ask questions, and drive traffic. Let's click. And we want to add it to the site. And here we go. It's adding the Wix forum. Preparing our layout. Making our components. Optimizing your pages. And the finishing touches here for it as well. Now, we have in our menu, you can see it just barely right now, right here in our menu. But once this finishes up, you'll be able to see that a little bit more clear for you. Alright, now we have our forum. Welcome, have a look, and join the discussion. Right, so this is it. This is like our blog here, staff only. Answer some questions. Now, let's go to settings. And let's take a look at what settings has. Now, of course, because of the pre-selected theme, we have this blue, create new post. Same, manage post, manage categories as well. Alright. Now we can go to layout. Alright, so we have the classic, and we even have cards. This is the classic, and we're going to click cards. and let this change. Alright, let's see. And the cards. Alright, now we're going to go back to Classic. Okay. So just showing you here, you can show the subcategories by clicking as well. And it will show to you the subcategories. Now you can show the header or not show the header. We're going to leave the header here. I clicked it off, but let's see. There we go. See, I took the header off, but I want it there to show you how to really edit it a little bit more. So we're going to show header. And you can make the header height. You can actually make it smaller as well. Alright, and the header text alignment. So it's dead center, or you can make it from the left, reading from left to right. You can make that as well. And of course, you have your own little search bar for this. Alright, that's the layout. When we come to the display, you can show list of posts, list of categories. So either or, however you want. That's for the post or all of the forum. Alright, now post sorting default. This is all forum images, HTML. Choose what to display. We're going to choose that too. Alright, let's go back to post. All forum. Okay, now post sorting default. Recent activity you can have, when you select on it, you can have newest, most comments, most viewed, most liked. Depending on what you want to choose, I'm going to put most viewed. Now choose what to display. You can have view counter, hashtags, social sharing icons, Pinterest save buttons if you would like. Especially if you have a post about, like, I guess since it's gaming, you can choose like cheat codes or wonderful tricks and tips too. You can have that. Maybe you want them to be able to save. Now you can create special badges for your members. We're going to go through that too. We did this before for blog, right? If you leave so many comments or you do, you make so many posts, right? So you can get badges, which is kind of cool. Kind of like a game with itself, like with things you can do. Log in from foreign menu. So we can select that. Member sign up settings. So let's go here while we're on display. Now, who can be a member? Everyone or people I approve. So you can do both to kind of weed out spam and all kind of other trash. Now, which option shows first? Of course, you have new member sign up or existing member sign up, right? So you can have both of those. All right, so let's go to social and community. Enable Google login. You can enable Facebook login, and join the community is checked by default. You can or not. It's your choice. Now the policies. Terms of use page. Show a link to your terms of use. You just paste that link here. So it can be like for example, if you create a Word document and from like Google OneDrive, you can share that. You can take that link from there and put this here, and it will just take them straight to this link and they can read. Right. The privacy page. Show a link to your privacy policy. The same deal. If you write it in a Google document or you have a different website or a page even specifically designed for that, you can just put that link. The same. Code of conduct. Show a link to the code of conduct. Of course, it is the same. If you are bullying, if you are harassing, if you're doing this on my page, you're lost, right? Of course, now you will just put that same link from some kind of document or some page right here, the same. Now we're going to click done, because that was all. And there you go. That's the forum menu and the login. Okay, so that is display. Let's go to design, the navigational menu. The background capacity and color. When you choose this, you can change the color to something different. Alright, I'm going to choose this color just for the sake of being. Alright, you can see it's loading right now. Internet can be a little slow. Fonts and icon color. You can have it, let's go back to settings. There you go, that's, there you go, you see this color now, it changed. Alright, or let this load back up. Alright, so going back to design. Alright, the navigational menu we were at. Alright, the font color and icon color. You double click on this, and you can change that color to do something a little bit different. So we made it silver. Alright, now this is it. Let's go back. That's the navigational menu. The text styles. This is pretty blank, pretty real, not too special, right? So the title, we have custom, and we can choose this too for a different heading. Oswald medium. We can select that. That's the font. And we're going to make this, it looks like space. That kind of looks pretty cool. So let's see, Pacifica, condensed. We're going to change, and we can make the text just a little bit bigger, right? Font here. And we changed it. Alright, now the post text color. Alright, let's go down. Now, let's change the color to that. I'm going to double click. Look, there we go. Silver. And double click, let it change. And the title, let's see, that was custom, Oswald medium. It changed back from us. There we go. Alright. Description, we can change the description of this to a different one. And this is the description, so we're just changing that. Alright. Now the description, okay, that's the title. Alright, custom, title, description, title. This is the post text as well. Alright, so and we're going to go back again. That's the text styles, icons, and buttons. Now the button text color. Black's not too good for here, so we're going to choose again like this color. Right, and this is the background color we're going to change it to because it's not going to show up too great here. Uh-oh. And I double select it. Alright, let's go. Alright, icons and buttons. Now we change, and you can see the color. And I'm going to change that background color too. And I'm going to make it gray. Let me move this because when I am double clicking, when it lets go, I click too much and it sends me somewhere different. Alright, now that's it's hard for me to see from here. We can actually change that too. Now link and hashtag color, it can be the blue, or you can change the color to the same as you want. Pin and answer, comments off. So pin, answers, and comments off. You can change that color as well. And there you go. Now when we're going back, that's the icons and buttons, backgrounds and borders. This is always fun. So the background color capacity, this is this color here, we can change as well if you want. Change, you get the blue, some kind of bluish, greenish color. There we go, we've changed. Alright, post categories and sidebar, background and capacity. This is this. Now we can change this to, let's change this to a lighter color. Alright, border and capacity. There's no border here. This is what this means. So we're going to change that. And we are going to change it to a dark gray as well. Alright, I'm going to let that load. Now the border width. I'm going to make it bigger so you can see. And it didn't select here. Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright, we can see here. Let's make it black. Alright. And there we go. Let's see, it's just taking a little longer. Oh no, I think I clicked Manage Post again. Alright. So here we can go back again. And that's the backgrounds and borders. You can see the background here. Alright, perfect. Alright, backgrounds and borders. So let's go to add-ons. Now the add-ons, you can do recent post feed. We can add to the page as well, to the home, updates, roster, or contact. We're going to select home. You can see start a discussion as well. And we can add this here. Alright, and now you see recent post feed. Now we can add both. Alright, I'm just going to move right here out of the way a little bit. Okay, and that's it. Now I'll show you in the preview what that kind of looks like. And we'll click on these and go back and forth as well. Alright, so this is our page. Pretty cool, pretty crafty. We have our post, and we have the strip blocking it, but we can just drag and move it as well. Alright, so let's see, there's a forum. We'll click forum, and it will take us to the page that we just added. Alright. And so we can introduce ourselves as well, the latest updates, the roster, mailing, and this is our forum page. Pretty cool, right? Now we've completely done it. Of course, now I want to show you something a little bit different. I'll go back to the home page, and then I'll go back to editor. Alright, so there we go. Let's go back to editor. Okay, and this is going to load, and I'm just going to move it out of the way just because it's a little annoying to have something overlapping that should not. Okay, there we go. Now out of the way. Here we go. Alright, now let's go back to menus and pages. We're going to go to our forum. Now I click forum. I want to show you a fast way to get to your dashboard here as well. Now when you click the forum, when you select all of this, you can see manage post, and that's how you go to the dashboard. You've seen me earlier mistakenly go to the dashboard, but this is why we're going on purpose, right? So to kind of go over this. So coming to the dashboard, again, you remember this dashboard is for selling something, downloads, you are going to have your posts, you're going to have so many different things here. Now welcome to the forum. Of course, if you want to select all of them, this is because it's a template. You can delete all of these just by clicking and delete them how you wish. And that's going to be right here, or you can move them around. All right, so you can do it so many different ways. You can delete them one by one. You can move the post, and you can move it to questions and answers, staff only, one of these, well, three ways. Staff only, which is private, right? So you can move them that same way. Of course, I'm going to just delete that post. Yes, yes. It's going to ask you, are you sure? And yeah, I'm sure, right? Okay. All right, we can create a new post right here. And when you select here, you can edit the post, or you can create a new post. And I'm going to edit this one. Welcome to the forum. And you'll just click right here and you will type whatever you want. Welcome to the forum, guys, girls, the same, and there you go. Now you can also add images, you can add a video, and you can add a file, the divider here, add a code snippet, a GIF, or of course you can add an emoji as well. And I'm just going to publish because yeah, I finished. Okay, cool. And there you have it. This is the post. It's the same before like your blog, but it's for your forums, and you can make this for this. And this can be anywhere, even for recipes. You can create recipes right here, the same. All of these are really great. So even for restaurants, how we showed you how to do the recipes, we showed you how to do the online ordering form. You can have the forum as well, talking about cooking or talking about what they want as well. In the future, we're going to show you how to set up comments as well. So without a forum, without a blog necessarily, and I will show you how to do comments. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you truly enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe and drop a comment below and let me know what you want to see in the near future. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day.